In just a few simple steps, I'm going to show you how to wire an E27 or an E14 bulb holder. Here are the items you're going to need. An E27 or E14 pendant bulb holder, an M10 hollow screw, wire cable, a cable stripper, soldering iron, welding flux, soldering wire, and a bulb for testing. So let's get started. So your bulb holder should come in two parts, the main part, which is that, and the bottom cap that fits right into the main part. So let's begin by taking the hollow screw and screwing it onto the cap. Then you're going to take the cable and drive it through the screw and out of the other side of the cap. Then at about 1 inch, you're going to strip the outer part of the cable. And then we're going to go ahead and strip the neutral and live wire at about 1/2 inch from the end. Remember to always switch off the mains before you start working on any electrical equipment. This is for your own safety. And once you're done with that, there's something that is very important that I forgot to mention in the items needed. This is a strain relief. A strain relief is used to lock your cable onto the bulb holder, and this prevents excessive weight that is coming from the bulbs pulling down on the weight on the cable, and it locks like that as shown in the video. So let's go ahead and twist those wires. This is to keep the wires in place and to avoid them fraying. So you can do it clockwise or anti-clockwise. Remember, this is to keep the wires from fraying. Then we're going to go ahead and apply solder onto the wires. So in this case, I used some flux to help the solder attach to the copper wire. Remember, if you don't have a soldering iron, you can completely skip this part, which will be perfectly fine. So after I went ahead and applied some welding flux, then you go ahead and apply some solder wire onto your hot rod and then transfer that onto the wire, ensuring that you coat the wire evenly. This is done to increase the conductivity and also to harden the wire, like so. And finally, we are now going to figure out how to attach the wires onto the bulb holder. So we have the live part of the bulb, which is the one that is sticking out. And on the other side, we have the neutral part. So once you've identified the side that has the live part, you're going to use your brown or red wire, that one, and drive it through one of the holes that is on the side where you have the live part. Ensure that all the conductive part is inside the plastic part, the plastic bulb holder, and then go ahead and attach the neutral side of the connection. Ensure everything is snugly connected, and then you're going to push your strain onto the bulb holder. And finally, we are going to lock the bottom cap. Just make sure that you line up those slots and push it through, and there you have it. Then now we are going to test whether our bulb holder works by using a bulb, and there you have it. So my hope is that you learned something today about how to properly wire a pendant bulb holder. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, Remember to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next video.